Yo, what's up everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's Tony and I'm back again with another video. So I have a special guest on the vlog today. Ogo, I have got my little sister Ogo. Say hi to the vlog, Ogo.
Hi.
Okay, so it's been so long since we talked about Fiverr on the channel, and I'm so excited to talk about it today, this particular topic. I'm going to talk about what not to do on Fiverr to avoid Fiverr ban, to avoid getting your account banned on Fiverr. It's one thing that you already, your career as a freelancer has already started on Fiverr, and suddenly you just, do one thing, one silly thing as silly as just tiny. Just one action can get you kicked off of Fiverr. I don't want that for you. I've had, friends make that just one mistake and they got their account banned. Oh my God, it's one of the worst experience. Like, it's one of the worst feelings. That you just, wake up in the morning and boom, you have a mail from Fiverr customer care telling you that all your effort is gone, your account is gone. Okay, they only allow you to withdraw money and continue whatever you want to do with your life. So in this video, I'm going to talk about what you should not do on Fiverr to avoid Fiverr account ban. So let's get to the video. Okay, so number one is let's start with operating multiple accounts as a freelancer on Fiverr. That's like the number one of them, or operating multiple accounts of Fiverr. That's straight ban. Okay, so you can, there's a way you can, do that, get away with it. But the current Fiverr system right now, you can't even, get away with it. The only way, if you really want to, go that way, is, get few devices, 1 or 2 devices. But operating 2 accounts, Fiverr accounts on the same device, nah, you can't do that. They straight ban that. They will just ban you. Okay, so don't even try it. So don't ever operate 2 Fiverr accounts on the same device. Even if you have a brother, you have in your family, you guys, like, your family is family of freelancers. Don't ever operate multiple accounts or log in from the same PC for multiple Fiverr accounts. I don't know if you get what I'm trying to say. Okay, so let's assume your brother has a Fiverr account. Okay, so the person comes home from school and wants to log in into his Fiverr account with your system. Why you that owns the system, still you are a level 2 seller on Fiverr and you allowed him to log in with his account on that same system? Definitely they're going to ban one of those accounts. There is no two ways about it. So to avoid this ban, please, if you can afford multiple devices, if you want to go that route, get multiple devices for your Fiverr account. Number 2 is, whenever you're chatting with a client, don't ever mention the word payment. Okay, you can mention it's quite alright, but once it's gearing towards taking payments outside Fiverr, trust me, that's straight ban. That's like one of the number one don'ts of Fiverr as a freelancer on Fiverr. Don't ever take payments outside of Fiverr. Even mentioning the word payment on Fiverr, you receive a warning. You might not see it on your phone, but try typing that word payment on Fiverr. You see a red alert. They are already warning you. Don't even think of it. Okay, although some people have a way of getting around this, but please, to be smart, it's not what your hard work. Stick to receiving payments on Fiverr. Although we have to put up with the 20% for using their platform, but come on, what do I have to say? You have to put up with that. Please don't ever mention taking payments outside of Fiverr on Fiverr. Okay, if you want to know how to get around that, you can shoot me a mail on the mail you see on the screen, and I will put you through. So what again? So number 3 of behaviors that can get you straight ban on Fiverr is, do you want to talk? okay, I'm just chatting with my sister. So number 3 of what should get you kicked off on Fiverr straight away is insulting your customer, no matter what, provoking. I know that some customers are very, very annoying. They can be very annoying at times, and you can't just, you are not just a calm person to take all that insult. Please don't ever give it back. Just, even if you want to do it in a polite way, never ever call out a customer over a driver issue or use the F word or an abusive word on a customer to get a straight ban on Fiverr. Alright, so number 4 behavior that will get you straight ban on Fiverr is let's say dragging pricing, or let's say dragging cancellation with a customer. Let's say a customer comes to you and you guys, after doing a gig, the customer wasn't really satisfied with whatever you did, okay, and normally a dissatisfied customer won't want to pay, so they cancel. Although they have a lot of scammers on the platform that want to take advantage of that cancellation feature on Fiverr. Okay, so some go straight to cancellation, and the mistake some sellers do make is they reject the cancellation outright. No, to avoid this, you have to and you have a situation whereby the seller will send a cancellation request and you decline it. You guys will be going back and forth. Okay, once Fiverr notices this, like, it's more like a riot. And Fiverr, if you know Fiverr, you know that they are not that seller, they're not that seller oriented. Okay, they don't give much attention to sellers. So in this kind of situation, you have a situation where the seller sends a request and you keep on canceling and all that. He might go straight to Fiverr and reports you straight away. And trust me, once the seller gets to Fiverr straight first and explains things, hardly do Fiverr ways to hear the other side of the story, which is yours. Okay, they go go straight to ban your account, which I wouldn't want that for you. I don't know if I'm missing anything out. I mentioned already, don't operate multiple accounts on your Fiverr account. Don't use abusive words. Don't take payment outside Fiverr. And one more thing you should avoid is the kind of gigs you offer. There are some certain gigs on Fiverr that you offer that are no situation on Fiverr. You don't offer adult related gigs on Fiverr, YouTube, SEO, I think so, and writing. Recently they banned writing and writing of assignments. Okay, so these few gigs, there are so many gigs that are not allowed on Fiverr. So the moment you keep on opening this gig, you'll be kicked out. Straight away. Okay, so finally I'll end up with one behavior that will get you a Fiverr ban. If you have a strike on Fiverr, okay, there's what you call a strike. If you are given a warning that you violated one of the TOS, which most times we don't read, okay, there are so many of them, so most times we don't read that. But if you get a warning that within 60 days that there is a terms and conditions of Fiverr that you violated, and within that the next day you violate another rule, definitely that's a ban. Okay, two times. If you get 2 strikes within a month, they will ban you straight. Okay, so to avoid all this, there are so numerous. From experience, I'm just mentioning this. Few ones I just mentioned is what from my experience as a Fiverr seller over the years. Okay, so I'll leave a link in the description, so you go read Fiverr's seller terms and condition. Okay, so you don't violate any of these terms and condition and get banned on Fiverr. Okay guys, I'll stop this video right here. Ogo, what do you have to say? Tell them they should subscribe to my channel now.
I would like to say, please, after watching this video and you like the video, please kindly click the subscribe button.
Okay, so you heard my sister, right? So kindly hit the subscribe button and also the thumbs up button if you enjoyed the video. Share this video with your family, invite people to my channel. If you found my information I put out on this channel very, very useful, I'll be grateful for that. So my name is Tony and I'm signing out with my sister Ogo, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.